Start in your Shopify admin by opening the online store section, then click the Edit Theme button to launch the theme editor for your active theme. Once the editor loads, open the Page Selector drop-down and click through to your default product template so you can see a live product page in the preview pane. Today, we'll add the VideoGreet just above the Add to Cart button. To do that, look at the top left of the page for the App Embeds panel icon and click it. Find the VideoGreet embed in the list. Click its toggle to switch it on. Then, click the arrow to see its settings. With the embed expanded, you'll see a reference class or ID input field, which we need to populate. To find the right class target to enter in this field, open Chrome DevTools, or right-click and hit Inspect, then hover over the element you want to position the button near. This will allow you to inspect its HTML to copy its class name. Copy the first complete name of any class name or element ID. Once you've identified your target class or ID, in our case price, copy and paste or type it into the input field we referenced earlier within the left panel. Then watch the VideoGreet button appear live in the preview. Use the above and below radio buttons to choose which side of the element the button will appear. Scroll down the left panel to explore the text and style customization settings. The Style section gives you font size options, border radius controls, and color pickers and CSS, so you can match the VideoGreet button to your store's existing design and branding. When you're happy with the placement and styling, click Save and watch for the confirmation toast at the bottom of the screen to know your changes have been applied successfully. To test the full flow, click the VideoGreet button checkbox in the preview to add it to the cart. Confirm the pop-up notification appears. Make a selection to see the added message in the button. Then navigate to the cart page to see the video greeting listed as a line item alongside your product. That's everything you need to place the VideoGreet button anywhere on your page using a simple class or ID reference. Enjoy delighting your customers with personalized video greetings.